Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English podcast, where we help you speak English more naturally and confidently. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening while relaxing, walking, or practicing your English, welcome.
And before we begin, just a quick request.
If this podcast helps you improve your English, don't forget to follow the show and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Yes, learning together makes everything easier and a lot more fun. All right, Jack, let me start with a simple question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Have you ever said a sentence like this? I like coffee also.
Yes, and I already know what you're going to say. It sounds a little strange.
Exactly. It's not completely wrong, but it doesn't sound natural.
And this is something many English learners struggle with. They know words like also, to, as well, but they don't know where to place them in a sentence.
Yes, and sometimes they mix them in a way that sounds unnatural. For example, I also like pizza too as well.
That's too much. Way too much.
Yes, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use also, when to use to, when to use as well, and where to place them in a sentence. Let's start with something simple. Tell me something you like.
I like coffee.
Nice. I like coffee too.
See? That sounds natural.
Now let me say it another way. I also like coffee.
Also correct.
And one more. I like coffee as well.
All three are correct, but the position in the sentence changes.
Exactly. And that's the key idea of today's episode. Let's start with the easiest one. To.
This is the most common and most natural word in everyday conversation.
Yes, and we usually use to at the end of a sentence. I like pizza too. I am tired too. She is coming too.
Very simple. Just add to at the end.
Let's practice. Paul, say something.
I love watching movies.
I love watching movies too.
Perfect.
Now here's a mistake learners make. They sometimes say, I too like pizza.
This is not wrong, but it sounds more formal.
Yes, in daily conversation, it's better to say, I like pizza too.
Now let's talk about also. This one is a little more tricky.
Yes, because also usually comes in the middle of a sentence. Subject plus also plus verb. I also like coffee. She also works here. They also want to join.
Notice something important. Also comes before the main verb, with the be verb.
If the verb is be, am, is, are, then also comes after it. I am also tired. She is also happy. They are also ready.
This is very important. Many learners say, I also am tired.
That sounds unnatural. Correct sentence, I am also tired. Let's try. Paul, say, I am hungry.
I am also hungry.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about as well.
This one is similar to. We usually use it at the end of a sentence. I like tea as well. She is coming as well. We enjoyed the movie as well.
So basically, to equals end, as well equals end.
Yes.
Now the big question, what is the difference between to and as well?
Honestly, in most situations, there's no big difference. Both are natural. I like coffee too. I like coffee as well.
Both sound good.
But as well can sound slightly more formal or softer.
While to is more common in casual speech.
Let's make a fun situation. You're ordering food.
Okay.
I'll have a burger.
I'll have fries too.
Or, I'll have fries as well.
Both sound natural.
Now here's a very important mistake. Don't use all three together. Wrong. I like pizza also too as well.
That sounds very confusing.
Correct. I like pizza too. I also like pizza. I like pizza as well. Let's review quickly. To, usually at the end. I like it too.
Jack, also in the middle of a sentence. I also like it.
As well at the end. I like it as well.
If you are not sure, just use to. It's the safest and most natural choice.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time. Let's create a small story.
All right.
Yesterday, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee.
I went there too.
Nice. I also ordered a sandwich.
I ordered one as well.
See? That sounds natural and smooth. But we're not done yet. We learned something very important. Yes, we learned that also, to, and as well all have a similar meaning. They show addition.
But the position in the sentence is different.
Exactly. Quick recap. To, usually at the end. I like it too.
Jack, also in the middle of a sentence. I also like it.
As well at the end. I like it as well.
If you are not sure, just use to. It's the safest and most natural choice.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time. Let's create a small story.
All right.
Yesterday, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee.
I went there too.
Nice. I also ordered a sandwich.
I ordered one as well.
See? That sounds natural and smooth. But we're not done yet. We learned something very important. Yes, we learned that also, to, and as well all have a similar meaning. They show addition.
But the position in the sentence is different.
Exactly. Quick recap. To, usually at the end. I like it too.
Jack, also in the middle of a sentence. I also like it.
As well at the end. I like it as well.
If you are not sure, just use to. It's the safest and most natural choice.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time. Let's create a small story.
All right.
Yesterday, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee.
I went there too.
Nice. I also ordered a sandwich.
I ordered one as well.
See? That sounds natural and smooth. But we're not done yet. We learned something very important. Yes, we learned that also, to, and as well all have a similar meaning. They show addition.
But the position in the sentence is different.
Exactly. Quick recap. To, usually at the end. I like it too.
Jack, also in the middle of a sentence. I also like it.
As well at the end. I like it as well.
If you are not sure, just use to. It's the safest and most natural choice.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time. Let's create a small story.
All right.
Yesterday, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee.
I went there too.
Nice. I also ordered a sandwich.
I ordered one as well.
See? That sounds natural and smooth.
But we're not done yet. We learned something very important.
Yes, we learned that also, to, and as well all have a similar meaning. They show addition.
But the position in the sentence is different.
Exactly. Quick recap. To, usually at the end. As well, also at the end. Also, usually in the middle.
And that small difference changes how natural you sound.
Now, let's go a little deeper. What happens when we use these words in negative sentences?
This is where many learners get confused.
In negative sentences, we usually do not use to or also directly. Instead, we use a different word. Either. I don't like coffee either.
Not, I don't like coffee too. I also don't like coffee. This can be correct, but tricky.
Positive. I like coffee too. Negative. I don't like coffee either.
Say something you don't like.
I don't like waking up early.
I don't like it either.
That sounds natural.
Now let's talk about also in negative sentences. It can be used, but the structure matters. I also don't like coffee.
This is correct, but it sounds more formal or structured. In everyday conversation, people often prefer, I don't like coffee either.
So here's a simple tip. Use either in negative sentences to sound natural.
Now let's talk about questions. Can we use also, to, or as well in questions?
Yes, but carefully. Do you like coffee too?
This is very common. Do you also like coffee?
Also works, but sounds slightly more formal. Do you like coffee as well?
Also correct and natural. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do. Do you watch movies too?
Yes, I do. I also enjoy watching documentaries.
Nice. I like documentaries as well.
Let's imagine a real-life situation. You're talking to a friend. Friend says, I'm learning English. You say,
I'm learning English too.
or I'm also learning English.
Or, I'm learning English as well.
Now, let's talk about tone, because even if the meaning is the same, the feeling can change. To, very common, very natural, very friendly.
Also, slightly more structured, used more in writing or formal speech.
As well, natural, slightly softer tone.
Listen to these carefully. I like it too. I also like it. I like it as well.
All correct. But in daily conversation, people most often say, I like it too.
Let's fix some common mistakes. I also like it too.
This is incorrect because you are repeating the same idea. Correct version, I also like it, or I like it too.
Mistake number 2, I like also pizza.
Wrong position. Correct, I also like pizza.
Mistake number 3, I don't like it too.
Incorrect in negative form. Correct, I don't like it either.
Let's do a quick challenge. I'll say a sentence and Jack will correct it.
I also am happy.
Better, I am also happy.
I don't like coffee too.
Correct version, I don't like coffee either.
I like also movies.
Correct, I also like movies.
Let's build a small story using all three. Yesterday, I met a new friend. She likes traveling.
I like traveling too.
She also enjoys photography.
I enjoy photography as well.
She doesn't like cold weather.
I don't like it either.
Perfect. That's natural, fluent English.
Here's a powerful tip. When you speak English, don't try to use all 3 words.
Yes, choose one that feels natural. If you're confused, remember this. Use to for most situations. Use also for structured sentences. Use as well when you want a softer tone.
Let's do one last practice together. Your friend says, I love music.
You say, I love music too. You want to sound slightly more formal.
You say, I also love music.
You want a softer tone.
You say, I love music as well.
Friend says, I don't like spicy food.
You say, I don't like it either.
Let's quickly summarize everything. To, used at the end. I like it too.
Also, used in the middle. I also like it.
As well, used at the end. I like it as well.
Either, negative. I don't like it either.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this helped you clearly understand how to use also, to, and as well in real conversations.
Now it's your turn to practice. Try using these words in your daily English speaking.
And don't worry about making mistakes. That's part of learning.
The more you practice, the more it becomes natural.
Thank you for listening to Talk Emma, the English podcast.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.